afraid of me. So a little bit I bought some Thuja Green Giant trees right here. I'm gonna plant it along this line. What I done, I put some sticks right here, little rope, so I know exactly where the border is, or the boundary. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trees. So I'm gonna plant them. The hole needs to be twice as big as the pot. I'm just using my muscle. So far so good because the ground is good. I just needed some privacy. Measurement. The pot is the height of the shovel, so the hole right here is really deep now, so I think this is twice big as the hole right now, so I think we're good. One done, 7 to go. So I just finished digging the holes for the trees. So it's 1, 2, 3, this one has water already. 4, this one has a lot of water. 5, this one's pretty dry. 6, 7. These two are a little bit close, but okay. And the last one I moved to here. Okay, I just took it off the container. I'm gonna put it right here. Move it around to the way you liked it. I think this is how I liked it. So I'm gonna fill it up with topsoil. Well, before I cover it up with soil, I'm gonna put some of these 10-10-10 in here. You don't have to, but I think it's gonna help. A little bit of 10-10-10, all purpose. Not too much, just a little bit. You can see the line, little dust, the 10-10-10s. Those 6 o'clock right now in February. It's getting dark. Just finished planting all of them. It looks pretty good. Let's use this one right here. See how tall this tree is. As you can see, it's about 38 inches. In February 2021, we'll come measure it again in 2022. have to clean up this tomorrow. Well, today I went to the back of the woods and dug up some small trees and planted them. I don't know what they are called, but here's what they look like. So I planted them right in the middle. 2, 3, maybe you guys can tell me what these are. These are evergreen, meaning like evergreen, meaning like they'll be green year round. It's now March. Because I had these green giant, Thuja Green Giants, spaced out 10 feet, 10 to 12 feet, and I had these right in the middle. So they are apparently 5 feet out. So green giant and these small trees. These small trees won't grow fast. They will grow really fast, but they won't grow big. So they might be temporary, but I'm not sure. I just planted them. And I also planted a fire them right over here. Get some privacy. Now they're about 5 feet tall. Some of 3, some of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So I should get some privacy right now. These are the trees that I wanted to have in 3, 4, or 5 years. These trees cost $650, maybe $700 a piece. Mine costs $30 a piece.